Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today, we'll learn how to change the favicon of the website. You see, this is the favicon. We haven't uploaded it yet, but I'm going to show you how to do that. So first, you have to go to the dashboard and then go to the settings, then go to the general. Here, you'll have an option called site icon. You just click on the choose the site icon, and it will ask you whether if you have this on media library, you can just use it from here, or you can just upload it from your computer. And make sure that it is 512 by 512 pixels. And after you upload it, you just save, and it will change here. There is another way to do that. In order to do that, you have to go to the dashboard and go to the appearance and then click customize. This will load a new page, and from there you'll be able to make a lot of changes on your website. Just for this case, we're going to go to the site identity, and then you see like we have the option to add the site icon again. So once you update the site icon, it will replace this general favicon. Make sure the favicon is fancy. So this is how you change or upload favicon on your WordPress website. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks a lot.